Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is x over y plus z plus y over x plus z plus z over x plus y equal to 1, which is a given equation. And our required equation is x square over y plus z plus y square over x plus z plus z square over x plus y, which is a required equation. And in order to solve this question, first we should simplify this expression. Let's consider x is equal to 0, or we put x is equal to 0 inside this equation. Then we should get, after replacing x equal to 0 inside this equation, we should get 0 over y plus z plus y over 0 plus z and plus z over 0 plus y equal to 1. And when we simplify this equation, then we should get y over z plus z over y equal to 1. Now we should simplify this condition by taking LCM. So as a result, we should get y square plus z square over yz equal to 1, because when this y will multiply with this y, we should get y square plus sign is same as before, and this z will multiply with this z, we should get z square over yz is same as before after multiplying, and equal to 1 on the right side of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step, this yz will move to the other side of the equation and will multiply with this 1. As a result, we get y into z, and y square plus z square will remain same. Now this yz will go to the other side of the equation, and we should get y square plus z square minus yz on the left side of the equation and equal to 0 on the right side of the equation. Now in the next step, we should simplify this condition, as we should consider x is equal to 0 is same as before, and as a result, when we put it or insert the value of x, or we will replace the value of x is equal to 0 inside this equation, we should get 0 square over y plus z plus y square over 0 plus z plus z square over 0 plus y. And when we simplify this condition, we should get y square over z plus z square over y. Now we should simplify both of these fraction by taking LCM, and as a result, we should get y cube plus z cube over yz, because when this y will multiply this y square, we should get y cube. This z will multiply with this z square, we should get z cube plus sign will be exist in the middle of the expression, and when this y and z will multiply, we should get y into z in denominator. Now if this y is a and this z is b, if we consider, and both are having cube, then this expression can be expressed from a cube plus b cube formula. And as we know that a cube plus b cube formula is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. And as I told you before, if we consider this y is a and this z is b, and we should replace this y and z from a and b inside this equation, and then we should get y plus z and y square plus z square minus yz, because we replace y and z from a and b inside this question, or expanding this value by this formula, and y into z will be same as before, and it will exist inside the denominator. Now as we know that from simplification form of this first expression, this y square plus z square minus yz is equal to 0. So here we insert the value of y square plus z square minus yz equal to 0. As a result, we should get y plus z into 0 over yz, and when we simplify this condition, we should get equal to 0, and this is the answer for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.